Hi everyone, so today I'll be unboxing the Sungwoon's first official fan club kit. Okay, so this is the card. I'm just covering my name and my birthday. That, and the back is like this. Yep. So, okay, there's like 3. This is first of all pins. So adorable. So I'll just open it. Looks like this. Oh. So I just got Sungwoon's face and the logo. Okay, and then we have a Hannah keyring, keychain, and looks like this. So we've got Hannah and Cloud. Cute. And lastly, we have a bracelet. Okay. Oh, so just the logo. It's really cute, adorable, and we got more stuffs here. So, okay, should we look at the photo cards first? Oh my god, so exciting. So it's just yeah. So the back is just Sungwoon first official fan club. And should we look at the photo card pictures? Oops. So adorable. I'm not really sure how many there's meant to be. I forgot. Adorable. I'm glad there's so many photo cards. I don't even know if I'm repeating myself. I hope I'm not. Okay, I think that's it. I don't know. I feel like I repeated. Okay, and then this is probably like a photo book or something. Okay, so cute. It's like the same pictures from the photo cards, I guess. I mean, same photo shoot. Oops. So cute. Oh, really cute. Adorable. All these pictures are lovely, and I love the paper for this photo book. It's like really, I don't know what it's called, but the really slippery ones, and it smells really nice. That is it for the photo book. Is that it? Oh, and we have one more. This is the mood lamp, I think. I don't know. So don't know, how do you put this? I don't know, guys. Is it like this? I have no idea. This is a cable. Yeah. I will put it and show it to you guys in a bit, I guess. Hi guys, so I just assembled the lamp and it looks like this, and it came with like a plastic film, so luckily it's not scratched. I thought it was scratched when I initially opened it, but yeah, so I'm just gonna turn it on. That's how it looks. It's really pretty. And then turn it off. Yeah. Yep, so that is it for the kit. Thank you so much for watching.